Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to PDF e-format using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software and select this tools option and scroll down or up. Here we will find this PDF standard option. Select and here we will find this save as PDF e-format. Click this and save file location. Name, converting. Yeah, this is our PDF file already converted to PDF e format and select this new folder option. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.